This is a second generation iPod Touch, and in this video we're going to show you how to take this unit apart. To do this you're going to need a couple of safe open pry tools and also a small Phillips screwdriver as being shown here in the video. First we're going to remove the screen from the iPod Touch. To do this we need to release several clips. The position of these clips is being now shown in the video. To release these clips, use a safe pry tool and run it between the backing of the phone and the glass. Run this along all edges to release the clips. Once all the clips have been released, gently pull away the digitizer from the rest of the iPod. Be careful as it is still attached by a small ribbon cable. To release this ribbon cable, use the safe pry tool to just gently pry this off. Once done, you will be able to separate the digitizer from the rest of the iPod. Next, we need to remove a small Phillips screw from the metal frame as being shown here in the video. Then, using the safe pry tool, lift up the thin foil from the top of the LCD screen. Then continue to use the safe pry tool to lift up the LCD screen from the bottom, being careful as it is still held in with a ribbon cable. Next, there are 7 small Phillips screws that need to be removed from the metal frame. These are now being pointed out in the video. Once the screws have been removed, we need to release the pop connector ribbon for the LCD screen as being shown here in the video. It is right above the dock port of the iPod. Next, using a safe pry tool, start to release the clips along the side of the iPod. Once these are released, you will be able to remove the metal frame. The LCD screen has now been removed from the iPod and can be replaced if required.